This is my old iPad 2, and Hulu is no longer supported on this old iPad 2. Netflix is, but if I type in Hulu over here, and try to use the old method of purchasing it, using the purchase tab, and I'll get this message. It seems that Hulu is forcing the use of their newer versions of the app. So I can't use this with iPad 2, 3, maybe 4. I have to use at least an iPad Air or newer, and for the smaller ones I need to use probably at least an iPad mini 2, so the iPad mini isn't supported anymore, I think. That's it. Can't install Hulu on my old iPad 2. But if I type in Netflix, I can still do Netflix. And there it's going.